one of our Planet X followers, her name's Dawn Stowell, very, very nice lady. I was just over on her live stream, but the other day, she had inboxed me a photograph of the sun. It was coming from the stereo imaging, and the sun was completely dark. You know, I know that they listen in on me in probably many ways than one. And I had been discussing this, I had been researching it, I had been saving the photographs, and bingo, here we go. There's no doubt they tried to scrub this particular frame where the sun was going dark, but they only did it on 2 of the 3 websites where we could access the identical information. That's where they failed. They scrubbed it on the stereo, they scrubbed it on the Soho website, but they forgot to scrub it on the integrated space weather site. Now this is the first photograph here, and we're going by a specific date. Let me zoom in here for you. This is the date right here, January 2nd at 1:13 a.m. and this is Universal Time. Now on the stereo website, whenever I pulled this information up, and this is what we're going by, the picture that Dawn sent me. But the picture she sent me, the sun was completely black at this same date and time. See, folks, these time stamps are very important when you're trying to match this information up. So anyways, I looked at Soho and stereo, 2 websites, same date and time stamp, the sun, you know, in its green ultraviolet light. This is the sensor that picks up a level of extreme ultraviolet light. It turns it green. So I go to the integrated space weather site. And this is where Dawn had picked up her information. On the same date and time, the sun's black. The sun went dark. There you go. So how's that possible? You know, we ask that question. Let's go back. Here's your date stamp right here, and this is coming from the stereo site. Then we go to the integrated weather site, which they didn't scrub this information. You know what Dawn shared with me. It wasn't a Planet X discovery, but it was a pure and simple deception on what is happening out there on the sun. So you ask yourself, is there any other way that this can happen? Breakdown in the data transmission to integrated space weather? No. Nope. Doesn't work that way. So I've split these 2 objects off in a split screen for you here. And we're looking at the stereo image. Same time, same date, same bat channel. And here we go, from integrated space weather. Same time, same date, and same spacecraft, same camera. So what's the deal?
It has come to light that the sun may actually be emitting much less light than I even thought, and that this is being covered up. And this came to light as a result of these 2 images which Scott caught. And in figure 1, we see a stereo A image of the sun in ultraviolet light, and you can see how dark the sun actually looks in this image. There's just a tiny bit of brightness in the corona and in spots, otherwise it's completely dark. Whilst that same image this is from the ISWA, Integrated Space Weather website. But this one is from the Stereo A website. They have exactly the same time stamp, and as you can see in this image, the sun looks much brighter. And we do have data that from the last few years which shows that the sun has weakened. And the these SDO images show that the intensity of the light in the 304 angstrom, which is light which is mostly emitted from the top of the chromosphere, has decreased dramatically in the years since 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017, showing a dramatic weakening in the sun independent of the cycle.
Oi, 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 oi.